Good evening, Out of the Box Breaks, doing break number 1963, a 13-14 Ultimate half case. I'm going to read out the teams, and then we'll crack open the case, choose which boxes we're going to use, and then we'll break. Anaheim is Lee for 70, Arizona is V. Callahan 5, Boston, Flovelser, Buffalo, Zombie Obama, Calgary, Stevo, Carolina, Garbear 2, Chicago, Mad C 179, Colorado, Mad C 179, Columbus T. Chucky Boy, Dallas Rivers 1122, Detroit Penn Dave, Edmonton Flovelser, Florida Code Red, LA is Mad C 179, Minnesota Zombie Obama, Montreal Reese B 7, Nashville Claude F, New Jersey T Chucky Boy, New York Islanders, Flovelser, New York Rangers Leafer 70, Ottawa Logan's Dad, Philly T Chucky Boy, Pittsburgh Penn Dave, San Jose V Callahan, St. Louis Slick Rick 604, Tampa, The Real Frankie, Toronto, Kingpin 81, Vancouver, Garbear 2, Washington, Tintin U2, and Winnipeg is Zombie Obama. All right, I'll move this over here. All right. So let's see the case. I'll crack it open. All right. Oh, sorry. Do it like this. Put the numbers on all of them. So just gotta find a Sharpie, of course. I can't find any. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 9, 10. All right, guys, numbers. I need 8 numbers from 1 to 15. Separate lines. 9, 11, 10. 9, 11, 10, 4, 13. 13. 2, 8. Two, 4, 6, 7. So one more after 8 and 14. There we go. There's what we're going to use. Move this aside. All right. There are 8 boxes. All right, box. We'll start with this one here. What did we? That's number 4. Good luck, everybody. Hey, Penn Dave. Base for Buffalo at a $4.99, Matt Molson. Ultimate Rookies at a $4.99, Drew LeBlanc for Chicago. Number 95 out of 99, Ultimate Rookie Auto for the Ottawa Senators, Corey Conacher. And for Edmonton, premium swatches at a 35 of Taylor Hall. Base out of 499 for Chicago, Jonathan Taves. Ultimate rookie out of 499, David Brohl. That's for Toronto. Ultimate signatures, Doug Wilson for Chicago. And numbered 17 out of 25, we've got a premium swatches authentic patch for the LA Kings, Jonathan Quick. Nice patch for LA. For Toronto, base out of 499, Nazem Kadri. Ultimate rookie out of 499, Eric Greiba for Ottawa. And ultimate signatures of Ryan Ellis for Nashville. Number 33 out of 35, ultimate patches for Arizona, Curtis Joseph. All right, now this was the number 8, box number 8. And base out of 499 for Nashville, Pecorine. Ultimate rookies, John Merrill for New Jersey. Ultimate signatures, Andrew Shaw for Chicago. And ultimate rookie dual jersey for the Jets, Jacob Trouba. And a base out of 499, Eric Stahl for Carolina. Ultimate rookie out of 499, Darcy Kemper. We got a very nice one here. Ultimate rookie patch auto number 20 out of 25 for the Carolina Hurricanes, Ryan Murphy. Nice hit for Carolina. $20 out of 25. And ultimate rookie dual jersey for Toronto, Morgan Riley. And this one was looks like box 2. Base out of 499 for Philly, Vincent Lecavalier. Ultimate Rookie. Oh, wow. We chose a good half. Andre Suster out of 499. And we've got an Ice Premier Auto Patch for the Anaheim Ducks, numbered 5 out of 10. Victor Fast. This one for Leafer, 5 out of 10. And Ultimate Rookie out of 399 for Calgary, Max Reinhart. I have no idea. Oh, that's number 10. I don't even know what number that's supposed to be. All right, our second last box of break, 1963. Base out of 499, David Backus for St. Louis. An Ultimate Rookie, Anton Belov out of 499 for Edmonton. Ultimate Rookie Signatures for the Calgary Flames, Sean Monahan. What'd I do? Ultimate Rookie Trio Jerseys. It'll be random between the Sharks, the Rangers, and Dallas. No, Minnesota, sorry. Looking at the jersey. Matt Nieto, Jesper Fast, and Justin Fontaine out of 65. We'll random that at the end. And final box, lucky number 13. All right, final box in break 1963. Jeremy Roenick, base out of 499 for Chicago. Ultimate Rookie out of 499 for Toronto, Josh Lavo. And an Ultimate Rookie Auto out of 399. Radko Gudas for Tampa. And we ended off number 23 out of 25. Premium Swatch Authentic Patch for the Islanders, Kyle Okposo, with what looks to be clearly an Ottawa patch. Maybe I'm wrong. Ottawa or Chicago, or I don't know. Looks like Washington. I just saw the golden and thought maybe Ottawa, but definitely does not look like the Islanders. I can give you that. All right, let me just set up the little one random we got. All right. Between San Jose, New York Rangers, and Minnesota, Trio jerseys, Nieto, Fast, and Fontaine. 4 times. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Goes to the Sharks. There we go. There we go, and that does it for break 1963. Thank you very much to everybody. Hope you had fun.